Welcome to the D-ECS platform tutorial. Before we get started, please ensure you have your D-Link device and license key ready. Today, we'll guide you through 3 key steps to fully set up your D-ECS account and activate devices. Please note that each license key is designated for use with a single device only. First, we'll handle account setup and activation to get your D-ECS account ready. Then, under Import Device and Activate License, we'll import and license your devices. Lastly, in SIM and network setup, we connect your devices to ensure full network functionality. Step 1, let's get started with account setup and activation. First, create your D-ECS account. Click Sign Up in the bottom right corner of the screen to start creating your account. Follow the 4 steps on the web one by one to complete the form. You'll receive a verification email to activate your account. Please click the link enclosed in the email. Enter your email and password on the D-ECS website to log in, and the activation is complete. Then, we can move to Step 2. Import device and activate license. First, we'll upload the license key and integrate it with the device. Let's start by uploading the license key. Log into D-ECS and click Licenses in the menu on the left side of the dashboard. Click Available, then Request Licenses. Here, click Check Example File to download the example format for uploading the license key. Open the downloaded file to view some license key examples there. Replace them by entering your own license key and save the file. To receive your own license key, please contact your sales representative. Back to D-ECS, log in again, click License, Available, then Request Licenses. Here, please click the Choose File button to upload the license key file. Also, enter a description in the Description field. Then click Submit. You'll see a success notice in the top right corner once the license key is successfully uploaded. Select the license key you're going to activate. The license key activation is now complete. Next, import the device to complete the setup process. Select Device from the left-hand menu. Select Inventory. You'll view Import Device button on the right side. Click it. Select Enter SN manually. Then complete the description field. Enter the serial number and submit it. You will then see the message Device Import Processing. Now, we'll bind the license to the device. Select the device you want to activate from the list of already imported devices. Click Activate Device in that row. Choose the license type and submit. Double-check your settings, then go ahead and activate the device. You should see a message confirming that the device has been successfully activated. The last step will connect your devices to ensure full network functionality. First, insert the SIM card into the device and turn on the power. Then, return to your computer and log into the web GUI. Select Administration, then Configure and Manage, and finally, Device Management. Enable the service by checking the Enable box, enter the service URL and IP for stun traffic, and click Save. Confirm by clicking OK to use the device management function for this device. The connection is now complete. For the final step, we need to bring your device online. Log into D-ECS, click Device, and then Device Management. Check the device box and click Online. Once the setting is complete, you'll be able to see the full information for your device. Your device is now fully set up and ready for use. Thank you for following this tutorial.
D-Link, one connection, infinite possibilities.